We all know how good and efficient Samsung's own Exynos chipsets are. However, with the launch of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Samsung's dream of making the best smartphone chip seems to be officially over. It's now pretty much confirmed that the Galaxy S25 series will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip across all markets, meaning you no longer have to buy the Ultra model to get the best performance from Samsung. You can now have it with the standard Galaxy S25. But I do have some bad news for Samsung fans. While Samsung will use the most powerful chipset in its upcoming phone, the screen in the new S25 series will actually be from an older generation. Samsung is set to use the previous generation M13 OLED panels rather than the latest M14 OLED panels. You might wonder what the difference between these screens is. The major difference lies in power efficiency, as the M14 displays are about 20% more power efficient than the M13 OLED panels. It gets even stranger when you learn that Samsung supplies its competitors with the latest M14 panels, but is choosing to use M13 panels in its own devices. This decision may be due to the higher cost of the Snapdragon chipset this time around. Sources indicate the new chipsets are almost 20% more expensive than the previous generation, so Samsung may have chosen to save costs by sticking with the M13 panels instead of upgrading the display. That said, I still think the S25 series will be much more efficient overall, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which brings a whopping 44% improvement in power efficiency compared to the last generation. A massive leak has also revealed all 4 colors for the entire Galaxy S25 series, giving us some exciting options, especially for the S25 Ultra, which will debut a new titanium blue color. The S25 and S25 Plus will feature fresh blue and green shades, and if these aren't enough, Samsung will offer even more color options exclusively on their online store. Lastly, the latest leak from Ice Universe has revealed the stunning animations of the upcoming One UI 7.0. I mean, just look at this. The new animations are truly on par with iOS. Gone are the days when Android animations couldn't match iOS. With the introduction of the new One UI, Samsung is set to give Apple a serious run for its money. So, these were the latest leaks and rumors about the newest S25. Tell me your thoughts in the comments.